This week's episode was quite interesting because it was dealing mostly with Klaus, and it seemed like he was trying to get our drugs off the street that named Angel Scale. Now, Leo. It seemed like Leo, when he meet the ghost girl wasn't actually a ghost girl. It was a normal girl. She was in the hospital, but for some reason, but they didn't explain. Now, it seemed like Leo, after Leo closed his eye, he was having a whole lot of bad luck. The manager of the hotel that he was staying at kicked him out because the hotel was becoming a high-class hotel now. So because of that, you have to go to Libra and stay on the couch that was in Klaus' office. Now, it seemed like when they found out about the drugs, Zap come in and sit down on Leo, suffocating him. It was a miracle that he didn't die. Actually, it seemed like Leo does have a will to survive. Because when last week episode when Klaus destroyed the diner and put him in the hospital, he healed up quick. And now, Zap sit down on his face and he was suffocated and was still alright. So, it seemed like Klaus went to a place that a guy who, it seemed like he was an information broker. So, the information that Klaus need, it seemed like Klaus need a guy there that he know. This guy was famous and it seemed like this guy was either the president of the New York or the minister, because he was asking the guy that if I win this game, the chess that they was playing, if he win this game, he get 9 nuclear bomb that he can launch against his enemies. So the guy was saying that if you can play me for 10 hours, actually he said 9 hours, but because the guy was saying that he wanted Klaus and the girl die because he didn't want anybody to know that he was here. So the guy said, alright, play me for 10 hours. And if you win, I give you a nuclear bomb. But if you lose, I'm gonna take your lifespan. Now, the guy lose, but in the end, Klaus is the one who saved him. So the guy said to Klaus, you have to play me for 99 hours. That's 4 days and some hours. So, that's seriously, Klaus was playing for 4 days straight without sleeping and some hours. And it seemed like he would either tie with the guy or win. So because of that, they get the information on some of the Angel Scale and stop them and spare the other guy's life. So this week's episode was mostly dealing with Klaus, and I have to say I like it. It seemed like they're giving you a different introduction to the characters, because it seemed like Klaus is one of the main protagonists in this series. They was showing you what he's going through in normal day. Seem like it because they love to play chess. Now, I'm giving this episode a 9 out of 10. Subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment box if you like it. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you again.